By using Instagram hashtags, you can grow organically really fast. But the problem is that many people don't know how to find the right hashtags. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can find the best hashtags to grow your reach and you can get a ton of followers. Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about how to grow on Instagram and Instagram daily updates. And if that kind of stuff interests you and you want to learn more about Instagram growth stuff, then consider subscribing and liking this video for the YouTube algorithm. So this video is all about hashtags, and this video is divided into two parts. The first part is that I'm going to tell you what are the mistakes that you can be making while using hashtags and how can you fix. And the second part is going to be I'm going to show you how you can find the best hashtags to explore your reach. First mistake that you can be making is that you are using hashtags that you cannot rank on. These are the hashtags that have a ton of competition and a ton of posts, and these hashtags are actually taken by bigger accounts, and in these hashtags only accounts that have a ton of followers they can only rank, but as a smaller account with only 100 or thousands of followers, it's going to be really hard to rank on these higher competition hashtags. I have used this type of hashtags and you can see my results. I only used to get about 7,000 or 700 or 800 reach and not more than that. And the problem with these hashtags are that it has a ton of competition and a ton of posts. And even if you like post, even if like your post comes on these hashtags on the recent tab, your post is going to come down over time, because Instagram's algorithm will see that this post is not getting any likes, and then they're going to lower your reach and your post is going to be faded in the hashtags and nobody's going to recognize you. And the best solution for this problem is that you should use hashtags that have a higher search volume but a lower competition. I'll show you how you can find this type of hashtags in the second phase of this video, so stick around. And the second mistake is that people are using websites like these to find their hashtags. The problem with these websites are that they provide hashtags that are really random and they're full of competition. Just like the mistake one, they have a ton of competition and a ton of posts, and it's going to be really hard for you to rank, and your post is going to come down overall, and as you're going to get likes. And surely these websites save a ton of time, but the hashtags that they provide, they are useless, as they're not going to help you grow your account. Instead of like saving time, why don't you just spend a few hours researching about the hashtags, and then you can use those hashtags to grow your account. I have used these websites and you can see that I only got about 700 or 800 likes, whereas when I did my research I used to get about 7,000 or 8,000 reach. And that is the beauty of researching hashtags. And even if you like do it over and over again, hashtag research, you're going to get better, and it's going to just take you about 30 minutes to find those 30 hashtags. And the third mistake is that not testing new hashtags. What I used to do is that I used to research and find a great set of hashtags that gave me a ton of reach, but the thing was that I used to use those hashtags again and again, and I didn't research for new. And after excessive use of the same hashtags, Instagram stopped promoting me my posts and stopped ranking me on the hashtags, maybe because I use the same set of hashtags excessively. And what I did, that I started making a set of hashtags every 2 weeks, and I saw that my reach even went higher. And what I recommend is that you try different set of hashtags every 2 weeks and see which hashtag set is performing more, and you can use that hashtag more often and you can grow your account really fast. And the last is that using less or no hashtags. I have seen so many small accounts that use only 5 to 10 hashtags, and some small accounts don't even use hashtags. The problem is that they only have couple thousand followers and they only use 5 to 10 hashtags. When the creator posts his or her audience likes his post and that is it. There is no other interaction other than his own audience, as it only has like 5 to 10 hashtags. He doesn't rank on that, and Instagram doesn't post it to more people, and that's why people don't grow. Whereas there are some small accounts just in that couple thousand followers, they post zero, they don't have any hashtags, and they only get followers, they only get likes from the people who they follow, and it tells Instagram that there is no other way that they can see way that this post is good, but only his audience is um reacting to his post. So it doesn't give Instagram enough data to rank your post on the explore page. So the solution is that if you are a small page, you should use about 25 to 27 hashtags if you want to grow really fast, because hashtags are the best way to grow organically, and for smaller accounts hashtags are actually the best way to grow. And there are some big accounts who don't actually even need hashtags to grow. There are bigger accounts, and Instagram promote their account by themselves only by ranking them on the explore page and stuff. And but as a smaller account, use hashtags to grow. We're talking about how you can grow, how you can find the best hashtags to explore your reach. I just want to say that if you guys are getting value out of it, then consider liking this video and subscribing to get more videos related to Instagram growth. So this is the time that guys you have been waiting for, and I'll show you how you can find the best hashtags that can help you grow really fast on Instagram just with the help of Instagram. So while doing your research, make your hashtags in sets of 4. The first set of 7 or 8 hashtags will be the hashtags that are really easy to rank on and have low competition. Now how do you know that if that hashtag has low competition? Simply you will see that hashtag has post less than a million, and its average like is going to be less than your average as compared to your post in the first hour. And now what you need to do is that you need to search for the hashtags that are related to your niche. And I have seen so many accounts that use hashtags that are not related to their niche. For example, if you have a cat page, you will only like put a cat lover and stuff like this. You will not put dog lover, because that audience is not interested in dogs, that audience is not interested in cats. And the people, and even if you rank on that hashtag, now people are going to ignore because they are not interested in cats. And now my page is about traveling, so I will find hashtags that are in traveling. Let's say travel and go to the tag section, and we will find hashtags that are less than 1 million posts, and my average like is 37. So I need to find posts that are I need to find hashtags that have less than 37 average like. We will find posts that are posted in an hour ago, and let me just check which let me find those hashtags. So I have just found 225. Let me just add them. 25 plus 18 plus 18 plus and 49 plus, and you need to find posts that are posted an hour ago, not more than that. And let's take these two and plus, and then you're going to divide what came after adding all them with 5, and then you will get the average like it's 20.4. so that means that this is the hashtag that is really easy to rank on for me, because my average like is 35 or 37 when I post in the first hour. So this traveling gram is a really easy hashtag to rank on, so I can use this hashtag in the first hour. You can just show this hashtags on Microsoft Excel if you have a PC, or if you don't even have a PC, then you can simply write it on your notebook. And you need to find these type of hashtags 6 more times. And the second set of hashtags are the hashtags that are that are easy harder to rank on. I just use easy harder, no normal harder, and just for my convenience, you can say whatever you want to say. I just use them. So the second set of hashtags of set 6 or 8 hashtags are the hashtags that are lower harder to rank on, or easy harder to rank on. I like to call it easy harder, or you can call them whatever you want to call them. I just gave them names. And these are the hashtags that have same amount of average like as compared to your post. Like if your post has about 35 average like, you need to find hashtags that have about 30 to 35 average like. And so the system is same, that you just need to type the hashtag that you need to rank on. Let's say destinations, and we will find posts that have less than million posts, and let's say national destinations. And we will do the same thing, but we will find the first 5 posts that are being posted in an hour ago. The posts are really amazing, like 3 hours, 2 hours, 8, dang, like 5, 2, 6, 6, 8. Like there are not so many posts that are posted an hour ago, so we will just take another hashtag, sunsets, and let's say sunsets underscore captures. So now we will do the same thing, that we will add likes for the first 5 posts that have been posted in an hour ago. So we will 29 plus 80 plus that's 15 hours ago, 2 days ago, and there was one up that I saw. Where did it go? So we will be keep looking for hashtags, and 2 days ago, like plus 6 plus 6 plus 16 plus 16, and we will find one more, and plus 12. So the is 143 is the answer, and we will divide it by 5 to get an average like. So its average like is about 31, so it is so it fits in our criteria, and we can use these hashtags as a normal harder hashtag, so that we can use this hashtag. It's a great hashtag, and you need to do the same process for this for 6 more times to find hashtags that have same average likes as than yours. And that now let's talk about the third set, which is actually mid harder to rank on. The middle harder hashtags are the hashtags that have low competition but have a higher search volume, but their average like is more than your post's average like. For example, my post's average like in the first hour is about 35, so I need to find hashtags that their average like is more than 35. You will do the same thing. You will find you will type in the hashtag that you want to rank on, and you will add the first 5 posts that are posted in an hour ago and divide it by 5, and if its average average like is more than your average your post average like, then you can use that hashtag as a middle harder hashtag to rank on. And after you have found 6 or 8 hashtags that are in the middle harder range, the last set of hashtag will be will be really harder to rank on. This is the hashtag that has a lower search volume, lower competition, high search volume, but their average like is really far. Like for example, my 35, I need to find hashtag that's average like is about 60, and we will do the same. Like we will go to travel and this hashtag and we will add, and it's this hashtags average like in the first hour is about 64. So I will use this hashtag for my really harder to rank on, and I will find 4 more of these type of hashtags to complete my set of 25 hashtags, and I can use them for 2 to 3 months, and then I can find another hashtags, or you can find hashtags every second week so that you can find the more better hashtags, and you can use hashtag which is more better more often to grow. And this is how you find the best hashtags to rank on. And if you're getting value, then subscribe and like and comment down below that you understand what I mean and how you will do it, and just comment down below that you understand. Keep in mind that average like of a particular person is going to be different from another person, so choose hashtags according to your average like. If a person A has average like for about 50, then he will choose hashtags that have lower likes than 50 and higher likes than 50, whereas a person B has average like of 30, then he will choose hashtags that have lower likes than 30 and more likes than 30. And choose hashtags according to your average like. This strategy is actually the greatest strategy to grow your page really fast, because not only by this strategy you will rank on the bigger hashtags, you will also start ranking on the explore page if you start ranking on the bigger hashtags. The way this strategy works is that you will first rank on the easiest hashtags. After you will get likes, algorithm will see that these posts got likes, then they will rank you on the easy harder hashtags, then they will rank you on the middle harder, then they will rank you on the hardest, and then you will rank on the explore page. By this you will not only get a ton of likes, but you will get a ton of followers too, and you can grow your account from 0 to 10k in no time. There is one problem with this strategy, and that is time. It takes a ton of time while doing hashtag research, and it takes about 2 hours just for searching for the best hashtags that you want to rank on. And yet like takes a ton of time, but if you have time, you can do it manually, and if you will do it regularly, then I'm pretty sure that it will just only take about an hour to do the hashtag research. And then if you don't have time and you have if you have about $9 to spend, then you can check out this website which is known as Flick. It will provide all the service that we have talked in this video. It will provide all of that, and you can find the best hashtags just under 20 minutes. You just need to type the hashtag that you want to rank on, then the artificial intelligence will do everything. It will find the search volume, it will find the competition, it will find the average like, and then you can just simply copy and paste it in your bio, in your caption, and it's just $9 a month, and you can check it out. The link is going to be in the description below. For today's video, I hope you guys got value and learned something new, and if yes, then consider liking this video and subscribing if you want to get more videos related to Instagram growth. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend, have a nice year. Till then, I'll see you in the next piece.